Welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. We are back with another tutorial video. Today, we will share with you a great way to earn money online by doing various activities on the internet like watching videos, answering surveys, and many more. This video is very special because we will share with you not one, not two, not three, but 4 apps, so you can maximize your online money-making potential. And we will share secrets that not many people know. But before going further into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Press the notification bell so it will notify you whenever we upload a new video. And lastly, leave a comment below. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. We will show you a new technique that is 100% legal, 100% successful, and 100% free for making money online using your phone. This method can allow you to earn over $75. You will learn a new money-making app in this video. You can make big money online with just 2 clicks. 1 click to download and 1 click to log in. Can you believe that? People from hundreds of countries worldwide widely use this method. It's best to show you how to do it step by step so you will maximize the profit potential of this app. Stay with me until the end so you don't miss any vital information, and if you want to earn a lot of money online quickly and for free. Download the free app on your phone by visiting instagc.com. It is where you can earn money professionally. This application is widely available and you can download it on any mobile device, whether your phone is iOS or Android. It works perfectly in all situations. If you are somewhat worried or unsure about the performance and legitimacy of the app, you can visit their Facebook page and read hundreds of reviews from people around the world. Above all, we can see a lot of evidence of payments made to people worldwide proving that this method is entirely safe. This person received this amount of money. Someone received this amount, while others received different amounts of money depending on many factors. You can also use different payment options like PayPal, bank transfer, or other payment methods compatible with this app. Again, visit their Facebook page for the information you need to reduce your anxiety. Anyway, back to the website. So InstaGC is a combination of 2 words, instant and GC, which stands for gift card. It means that you will get an instant free gift card for your various online activities, including taking surveys, watching movies, online shopping, surfing the internet, and many others. Our favorite among these is watching videos. All you have to do is watch the video, put away your gadget, go back to work as usual, and do other interesting things. Watching videos is a great way to make money online, but all of these methods are very simple, and you can do them with one hand, such as browsing the internet and answering surveys. But we recommend that if you want to make the most out of this app, you must complete all the procedures simultaneously, thereby using your time efficiently. You can watch videos on your device and quickly go back to other methods. This method is the secret I mentioned earlier, so make sure you get the most out of it. You can find InstaGC on social networks like Facebook and Twitter, or just by searching Google. The next step is pretty straightforward. Sign up by simply entering your information and creating an account. Now let's go to the second website that we will show you today. It is called App Karma. Here you can use or select any device compatible such as iOS and Android smartphones. So App Karma is another simple and free way to make money online, and you will love this site because you can earn using PayPal or gift cards. Just click the download button on their homepage to get it, and you will immediately get 300 free points. Remember, every 100 points costs $1, so to get $3, you must earn 300 points first. Another way to make money with App Karma is to direct others to join you in the app. Just copy the invitation link and the referral code and paste them into as many social media accounts as possible. So if you do that, and a person successfully signs up for App Karma, you will get a whopping 30% commission based on their income. For example, a guy earns $100 and you get 30% of the commission. So that will be an easy $30 to your bank account. See how it's effortless to make money without complicated or lengthy work. Feel free to browse the app and don't forget to log into the app every day to get daily deals. Also, we almost forgot that whenever you complete a task, you can collect different badges that will help you level up your account over time. You can earn more by increasing your reward level and gaining more badges. It's just so convenient, isn't it? While you're still here, let me show you the third app. It's called Cashkick. Cashkick, like any other application, provides a convenient payment method in a variety of ways. You can receive money in various ways, including PayPal, wire transfers, and more. Cashkick believes that the biggest prize of all is money. And let's face it, that is true. So much like InstaGC, you can make money with this app by taking surveys, finding offers, watching videos, and browsing the web. On the other hand, if you think about it, these activities are just simple tasks that we all do regularly. We all watch videos for extra time. So now you know you can earn from it if you want. For the registration process, just enter your email address and password. Click the purple button that says Get Started Now to finish your registration, and you're ready to start earning money. The journey is not over yet because I will show you today the fourth app. It is called Superpay, and it has a website called superpay.me. Unlike the other two previous programs, InstaGC and Cashkick, Superpay allows you to earn money by completing surveys only. But you will have no regrets with this app because they have a wide range of credentials. They paid over $4 million to many people worldwide, and they have 2,925 positive reviews on Trustpilot. So they are telling you that their system will not fail. Certainly, Superpay is a great way to earn more money online. They also have many essential features like a 24-hour payment period, which is very important. You will find their low cash-out threshold from the comfort of your own home very accessible. There are many promotional and contest codes available upon signing up, and some checks that pay an average bonus of $20. Finally, the team has one of the most extensive referral programs. Superpay is also very convenient because you can claim your money from various companies like PayPal, Skrill, Amazon, and etc. You can read all of this information on their website. If you think you're a bit silly and ask yourself if this is legitimate, you don't have to worry because Superpay is fully open. In this section, you will find thousands of payment details shared by thousands of users worldwide. As I said before, this app works well and pays over $4 million to many people. Isn't it interesting? Because we certainly think it is. Just click on the Join for Free Today button and it will take you to this page where you can register. Just fill in some personal information like your name, email address, and other details and you are ready to go. Now all you have to do is give them your payment details so they know how to pay. Accept the terms and condition and privacy policy, click the I am not a robot icon, and you will have the instant access to your free Superpay account. Everything is simple and you can do it as many times as you want and as often as you want with the app. That's our video for today. Share with us your opinions on these apps. Tell them in the comment section below. We love to read about them. Join us again in Millionaire Mindset for another round of tips on achieving your financial freedom. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.